Guys, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from Cooking Adventure. From Mike and family, we want to wish everyone a happy Valentine. Enjoy your Valentine. All those who celebrate Valentine, happy Valentine from Mike and family. Today I'm baking a Valentine cake. It'll be like an ice cream Valentine cake because I will split it in two and then put Oreos ice cream between, then put it back together, then put frosting over it. So let me show you what I'm using to make the cake. Alright, so I have 3 cups of cake flour. Cake flour I use, and this really make nice cake. It's kind of fine, it's not coarse like the regular flour. I sift it there, so I use 3 cups of that cake flour there. I have a cup of butter here, 2 cups of sugar. You can put less sugar if you want, if you don't want it too sweet. I have a teaspoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and I have 4 eggs over here. That's the pan I'm going to bake the cake in. Alright guys, so we get started on the cake. So I have the butter here. Put the butter in first. 1 cup of butter. I have the sugar here, the 2 cups of sugar. So mix this and this is incorporating. Lock this down. And we just give the side a scrape down a little. So that's the butter and the sugar right now. Then I'm going to start to add the egg. Alright, so we got to add the egg in now, the 4 eggs, one by one. 1. We got to add the vanilla. So the baking powder and the cornstarch, you add it in the flour. So we add it in here, stir it up a little. And also we're using 2 cups of milk. You mightn't take the whole 2 cups, less than 2 cups. But the recipe can have a 2 cups, but we can still add and see if you don't take the 2 cups, you can put less. We're going to put all 2 cups, full 2 cups. Alright, so we add the flour in little by little. So we hold back a little flour and now we got some of the milk. And then we got the rest of so we got the rest of flour in now. We got some more milk. You don't want to over mix it, because if you over mix it then cake will become dense. That's what it looks like inside. It's nice and smooth. So that's good. We don't want to mix it some anymore. Nice and smooth here. Alright, so we can transfer it into the pan now. So that's the cake in the pan here now. So we can put it in the oven, bake it for about 25 minutes. 25-30 minutes. Alright guys, so I just take the cake out of the oven. I will let it cool down and then you can take it out, then you cut it in 2 and decorate. So I have my decoration set up here already. That's my decoration set up there. So once this cake cool down here now, see how it's nice and fluffy. Once it cool down, you will take it out and then start working it. Start to decorate. Alright guys, so I just take the cake out of the pan. See the heart. Alright guys, so I just make some icing. And this is simple, just powdered sugar and butter. You can put like 1 cup of butter, 4 cups of sugar, depending how sweet you want it. So that is a pink one. You can make some flour down, and this is the red one. This is what we can base the cake with. Alright, so we try to cut it even, half and half. Alright, so we got it. There's the bottom, this is the top. So I cut it half and half. So we can decorate the top, everything with the top, finish the top, because once we put the ice cream here, the ice cream will melt, so we gotta finish it real fast. Alright, so that's good. So we can fill up our designer here now to design the top. And you know, and to put some of the frosting on this side. Alright, so that's it. I tried to write Happy Valentine, but it's not working. You're just showing a little. Alright, so you put it in the fridge, let it stay cool, so the ice cream don't melt. So that's my Valentine cake for Valentine. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for watching our video. Follow our video. Thank you for your support. Alright, so this is the cake. We got the cake. Show you look like inside. Alright, so that's the ice cream I put earlier. The Oreos ice cream I put between the two cake. This is my Valentine. Cutting a small cake now. Alright, from Mike and my wife here, Gayatri, and the family, we want to wish everyone a happy Valentine. All who celebrating Valentine, have a blessed Valentine. Be safe out there. Enjoy the rest of your Valentine. So I'm going to thank my wife here for the bottle of wine, the cake, and this is the one I baked earlier.
Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day.
Thank you again for watching. Please leave us a like, share, comment and subscribe.